Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a brow tutorial for you guys. Whenever I post a picture, I always get a lot of comments on my brows, so I figured why not do an updated brow tutorial. So I use the MAC Veluxe brow pencil, and this is a pencil to powder finish, and I use the color Velvetstone. Then I go in with my Nars Creamy Radiance Concealer and a MAC 212 brush. I comb my brows into position. I like to brush them up. What I like to do is I like to try to make sure that my brows are lined up straight, because I hate when I see someone and one brow is like up here and then the other one is coming down. So I try to line them up, and it's good to have two mirrors. So I have a little palette here, and then I have a mirror here, and then I have a mirror behind me, because you want to see what you look like from all angles, and that's how you're going to get your brows to be its straightest. So this brow has an arch like close to the end of the pupil, so that's what I am trying to work on for this brow. So after I'm done drawing the base of the brow, I go to the tail and I build up the arch.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
So when I feel like my brow is where I need it to be, I go in with my Creamy Radiance Concealer, and I work straight from the doe foot or the applicator. I don't draw right up underneath the brow. I give it a little bit of space, and then I apply some of the concealer. Then going in with my 212, I move that product up underneath the brow. And that's how I fill in my brows. Now there is an extra little step. Sometimes I do this, I don't do it all the time. So I take a brow gel set. My favorite one is the MAC Pro Longwear, and this is in Quite Brunette. That is when I want my brows to be a little bit more light. And I sometimes take the Maybelline Great Lash, the clear one, or the Maybelline Brow Drama, which is a little bit darker, so that keeps my brows its natural color. Today I'm just going to go in with the clear, because I don't want to add any extra to what the brow already has. So instead of just applying the brow gel just straight to my brows, I go in underneath the brow, so I kind of fluff them up, and this helps to lift the brow away from my face so that it looks less painted on and more natural. Another great tip is that if you don't typically fill in your brows, but your brows are very thin or straight, or they just look like just blah, you can take the clear brow gel set or the clear brow gel and just run it through your brows just like that. Let that dry. Do it again. Do it a couple times through your brows, and it'll look like your brows are a lot more full.